Hey there, Alisada with Simple Option Strategies. All right, I want to share with you a couple of things that we did yesterday. As you can see here, today's P&L is 3,500. It's based, we have one trade here, one trade here. Sometimes because we're using 0 DTE, we roll trades over. Today, what happened was we had a position here, and I wish I would have held that position here. One of these, we rolled into these positions. This is 0 DTE. Both of these are 0 DTEs, but we had one that was closed out in the morning, and then we held the other position and actually rolled it to October 14th. I think it was 14th. Yes. And I was able to really move the position way far out. The chances of this position being threatened is very, very low. And so if you can look at all of the positions that we have now, so this is a 0 DTE trade. You can see it's getting close to being threatened here. And so I'm going to go to the next day, right? You can see where these positions are pretty far away from being. Here's another one here. Okay. Go this one. And so these are even further away. And so now these positions here are 25 wide. Okay. These are 25 wide positions, and you can see how far they are from being threatened. Okay. So let's go after 15. Let's go to 20 here. So 20 here, we're at 69.25, 6,900. And the other one is 62. 25, 62.10. These positions here, I believe we started with $2 and now it's cut in half. Okay. So I'm going to close this position, close it. I'm going to set it to close, for 10 cents. And I'm going to set the other one. And you can see where this position is here. It's only 65 cents already. It's really gone down quite a bit. So, and that's why there's so much profit in these positions now, having gone through them, because basically we're just continuously expiring these positions little by little, right? So this is one right here that's 25 wide. Let's see. Yeah, that one has a position there. And so we go past 30. Now we're in November 5, and we're at 7,000 and 63.75 here, right? These are 25 wides as well. And that's it. Those are the ones that we have. This one here, I haven't even put on a call. So let me put that call on. See if we can put that on. So we have a 53, 63.50, 63.25. So let's see what here. So I'm going to put on a call spread and take it up here. These positions are, they're 2. So these are, I'm going to go to 2 here and then go to 25 wide on these positions. Let's go to 6,900. So that's a 25 wide there. And let's roll that up here. Let's see how far we can go here. This trade. Yeah, so that's about where we have this delta now, which is around 8 or 9, which is perfect for that position. And I'm going to place that position now, just to make sure. Okay, make sure we have those positions. We have that. And okay, we just place that position. Right, now put a closing order on it. Let me see what I had on the bottom here. Yeah, and this is 180. It's perfect. Okay, so we have those positions down. These are the last ones that I put on. Yep. And so you'll see now it's 33 days. So I'm going to wait until about another week before placing another position on here. So that's how we manage these, and hopefully you'll see the amount. And one thing Okay. If you look at the positions here, you don't see one threatened position. None. None of these are threatened positions. So none of them have in the money positions now. They're all out of the money. And that's exactly what you want with a credit spread. Okay. And you can see here now, basically the whole year, these were always red. And finally starting to get out of these red positions here. And they're all going profitable. Okay. And that's the beauty of this strategy of what I'm doing. All right. So hopefully you saw we'll be doing more of these sessions going forward. All right. All right. Thanks. And we'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.